Good morning from Graham Family Farm, and happy Thanksgiving. This little piglet here, they got hurt in the barn there. Seems to be doing okay. I woke him up this morning and opened the door and came out for breakfast. So the grandkids will be over today. Let them play with them a little bit and make sure this pig still can run around and get away from them before I stick them back in with the rest of the piglets and the mama pig that's kind of rough on them. So he's looking good. Okay, we're smoking a turkey. First time we ever tried this. And then we're gonna deep fry one here a little bit later. Smoky. Okay, we got a special treat here. We have some strawberries and some blackberries. Let's see how these pigs like them. I know the little pig in the house, he sure does. Well, there's no pig right there. Whoop. Yep. They're liking that. Sprinkle some down here. There's berries. So they like them. Burgers, what do you have for me today? A special treat. Berries. Some more berries. And little piggies are still in the house. They're moving around. Yeah, I figured these pigs are like this. Well, we got 8 chicken eggs and 1 duck egg, so that's about back to normal. That's what they've been doing. They're for a bit they started laying a few more with that super egg, and yesterday they dropped off. They sure do enjoy those corn stalks. I'm just about out. It's a little chilly today. The sun was shining nice and bright. Right now it's kind of hiding behind a cloud. That wind chill factor is, it's cold. Oh, look at the sun starting to come out a little bit more. Yeah, if it wasn't for a few clouds, it'd be a sunshiny day. Doodle's gonna get ran over. Okay, now we're gonna come down here, auto-fill up the van with firewood. Stuff that's been cut. Looks like a lot of this is gonna have to be split up at the house. Oh, there's some smaller stuff in there. See how they do got a water bottle from. Garbage all over my house, my yard. I'm able to lift the van a lot higher, actually. It'll be a lot lighter than it was last time around. Little tractor doesn't like to pick up too much weight. Last time I had to back up the hill, I can't quite get the bed high enough. So it makes it a little easier. Hard to back up the hill. Can't see, turn around. Very quick neck. Well, they got the oil heating up, so we can deep fry this turkey. I hope everything goes good. The other one's still on the smoker, slow cooking. This will be a different type of Thanksgiving. We normally put it in an oven. Usually have a big giant turkey that doesn't fit. Anyway, so we got 2 small turkeys, and we'll see what happens. Yeah, maybe Thanksgiving, but gives an opportunity since both the boys are off here working on their YJs. Hurry up and get the rest of the stuff off this tub. Everybody needs the tub. This one will be for sale. This frame right here, I've been modified for spraying over, so I think we're going to make a hay trailer out of it once we get the gas tank and the rest of it stripped off. At least that's the plan. Okay, my wife just added the ham to the smoker too, and I didn't think they both fit in there, but apparently so. Well, smells good. At least it's warmed up a little bit out here. Okay, look at this. This is for me. This is mine. Well, I had to come down to the barn and get a hay hook, because that's what we're going to use to deep fry this turkey up at the house.
On the platter and not the gravel.
All right, here goes the turkey. Got the flame off. Tank's a little concerned there.
Let that calm down for a minute.
That's what I was wondering. I'm gonna let you do the heater, the reigniter.
Let her calm down there for a minute before it.
And that goes for 50 minutes or 45 minutes.
How do you restart? Much?
Hmm?
Think that's a good enough amount of flame?
I don't know, you got to hold the temperature. I don't know where it was up before.
We had it on high because it was taking too long.
Well, someone turned it down. It wasn't all that.
Are we good?
Yeah. Turkey's still cooking. Hank's over here shopping firewood for his mom. That's nice of him to come all the way over here to work out. Okay, that's good news. Hank's gonna take his Dodge truck back to his place and part it out. It was his old truck, and Doc wanted it because he had a Dodge truck, half-ton. He was gonna put all these 3/4 ton, 1 ton parts on it, and he ended up selling the truck. So anyway, this has got a blown up Cummins in it, so it's very heavy. I'm glad it's leaving. So I better end this. before dinner's ready. Anyway, it's been a really good day. Got a lot of stuff done. Got to visit family and my kids. I hope your Thanksgiving is good as ours. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening. As I said the other day, we ran the generators, getting ready in case the power went out. Guess what? It's Thanksgiving and the power is out. So we do have generator power. This is gonna be an interesting dinner.